here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh.
To say that part.
Hi.
I'm gonna be
Hello
doing
guys.
uh-huh,
I'm doing the workout.
the vlogger.
And then some juice.
For school. Okay.
The other one's for home.
Ah.
Yes.
Ah.
Then how
Oh, this one is for home.
It's for home.
Yes, I thought these things are.
Because we are going to be festive.
I thought I'm an Ultraman.
We are going to be festive.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, Danone. Put on the top of the fridge. Okay. Okay. Second package.
Here there's a big cabbage. Check it out.
The big cabbage. Looks smaller in the video.
The big cabbage. That's gonna give me some moment.
Next,
Here there's a. What is this?
apples that Sisha is allergic to.
But we love cinnamon apple. There is
Onions.
onion. There is
Bananas. Show the vlog, baby. Chips. Yes, what? From
potatoes.
Potatoes. Yes.
Potatoes and
Tomatoes. It's baby tomatoes. Video, guys. Pictures.
last one.
That's a big one.
Wow.
Denon. plain yogurt.
What is this name?
Mama, what is this? Cream yogurt. And then the last thing, more cream. Why did you buy so much cream?
Because they were saying,
Let me see. Ah,
there's a big
haloni.
and I'm very impressed, guys. Let me rather say, because for all these things I paid, yes, I paid less than 550. Oh, the sweets as well.
Sweeties.
The
Sweeties.
Where's my thing?
Yo.
My receipt. Say it. Oh, that's one.
Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.